Philip, Sherry, Student Body President. I'm so excited to welcome you guys back. As much as we wish we were all together, we are so excited to connect with you guys virtually.
Hello parents and students. This is Robert Mars, and I'm proud to serve as the principal of Shadow Ridge High School. It is my pleasure to welcome you to tonight's open house. We understand that there are some questions, concerns, and even some anxiety with how school will operate during the first semester with online learning. Tonight's events, as well as the information contained on our school website at shadowridgehighschool.com, should answer many of these questions. We wish that we could say that there won't be any hiccups or challenges along the way, but quite honestly, we don't believe that that will be the case. In fact, we recognize that there will be some bumps along the way, but we are confident that by working together, we will be able to overcome any challenges and that students will have a successful experience at Shadow Ridge High School. Recognizing in advance that we will need to work together to solve any challenges is what will set us up for success. One of the most important factors in ensuring that this semester is successful will be open lines of communication between students, parents, teachers, and the administration. Please ensure that if a concern arises, that you communicate with the teachers directly, and if necessary, that you communicate with the school administration so that your concerns can be resolved. Another factor that will ensure this semester is successful is the consistency in which students attend real-time classes and complete assignments on a timely basis. Students will need to log in and attend their real-time classes on Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Wednesdays will be set aside primarily for independent work and support. Each day has independent work and support built into the schedule so students can work on their homework and watch any required videos. If you notice on the bell schedule, which was previously sent home, is available on our school website and is included as a link in this open house presentation, each day also includes virtual office hours. These are times in which students can contact their teachers if they have questions or if they need any additional help or assistance. Ensuring the social-emotional health of our students is another factor that will help make this semester successful. Students can reach out to their counselor during virtual office hours. Additionally, there is time on the schedule for guidance and wellness checks. Please reach out to school staff if you are experiencing difficulties. We are here to help. We also encourage all students to find the time to get some exercise in order to de-stress throughout this semester. This will be especially important as we progress through online learning. Throughout this evening, parents and students will be able to attend live sessions with each of their teachers. There are also various videos with important information that can be accessed. Students can access their schedule via their Infinite Campus account, and links to classes for Monday, August 24th are available via their Canvas account. Teachers will be sending links to access classes to students' individual email accounts. So please, students, be sure to check your @nv.ccsd.net account for individual links if you are having trouble accessing them through your Canvas account. We recognize that there will be times when students need to go back and review information contained in a real-time lesson. As such, these lessons will be recorded and posted for students to access at their convenience. Thanks again for participating in this open house. We are here to help and ask that you reach out should you have any questions.
One of the best things that I get to do at my job is oversee all the clubs and activities that we have. Now, even though this year is starting out a little different and everybody's going to be doing remote learning, we still are going to be offering clubs in a virtual setting. At Shadow Ridge, one of our traditions is that we have so many clubs that everybody can be involved in. We have clubs from archery to mountain biking, Black Student Union to GSA, DECA to HOSA to Skills USA. We even have clubs like journalism and yearbook. So if you are interested in joining a Shadow Ridge club, I invite you to go to the Shadow Ridge website, and underneath the Students tab, you will find a link for all the clubs and activities. I encourage you to come out and join your club.
I just wanted to give you a couple quick announcements regarding athletics in general. First, at this time, CCSD has put all sports on hold due to COVID-19. However, CCSD Athletics and the NIAA have come up with a tentative schedule to play fall, winter, and spring sports during the second semester. On our website at www.shadowridgehighschool.com, you can see that tentative schedule. I strongly urge you to do 3 things if you want to play a sport here at Shadow Ridge. First, go to www.registermyathlete.com and get signed up for a sport. Second, go to our website, www.shadowridgehighschool.com, go to the athletics page, and go ahead and email the head coach in which the sport you are interested in playing. Number 3, give our office a call if you have any questions at all regarding Register My Athlete or sports in general. The number is 799-6699, extension 4200. We're here to help you in any way we can.
Hey Mustangs, welcome to the 2020-2021 school year from your Shadow Ridge High School Counseling Department.
Things might look and feel different this year, but we're still here to support you.
We will assist you in reaching your academic potential while you're distance learning. Our academic planning meetings will be held virtually. More information to come on Canvas or email.
We will support you with all of your after high school plans, whatever they may be, and we will have opportunities for you to attend live college and career fairs, and we will hold our own career planning sessions. We will promote this via Canvas, email, or our website, so keep a lookout.
We can even be a resource in times when you might need emotional support. These are crazy times and it's okay to feel a little stressed out. Look out for our virtual yoga sessions via Google Meet coming in the near future. Take care. Go Mustangs.
Our main communication tools will be Canvas and Google. If you don't know how to access your resources, be sure to let us know.
Be sure to check out the Counseling Corner on the SRHS website for all kinds of great information, as well as join us on Instagram at srhs.counselors.
Counselor assignments are based on a student's last name, so be sure to know who your counselor is. Scan the QR code to visit the Counselor's Corner for access to the resources mentioned, plus more. Welcome to the Ridge!
Technology is going to be a large part of our online schooling this year. I am here to give you some technology tips to help you be successful for distance education. There are 3 programs with which you must be familiar with. Both parents and students will access these accounts. First is Infinite Campus. This is a web-based program that allows parents and students to view information about the student. The information includes being able to view the student's schedule and grades. Next, your child will need to access their CCSD Google account. This will be used for email communications. This is also the account information that will be used to enter Google Meet classrooms and CCSD Canvas. Lastly, CCSD Canvas. This is the web-based program that will be used to deliver content. This will be your student's classroom. All of these will use the same login. The login will be the Google email login. If you have forgotten either your username or password, please go to myaccount.ccsd.net. This site will guide you through the reset process. For parent information and training, visit faces.ccsd.net. Students will be using CCSD Canvas and Google Meet daily for their classes. Here are a few tips to help as well. Charge your device. Make sure your device has been charged and is ready for use each morning. It is best to plug your Chromebook in to charge overnight so it will be ready for use in the morning. Enter your Google Meet classroom with your microphone muted. Even in the digital environment, it is important that we are not talking all at the same time or making noises that interrupt the class. Create a clear, comfortable, and appropriate environment for learning. Also remember that it is not allowed to take video or screenshots of Google Meet classes. Thank you for your time, and go Mustangs!
Hey Mustangs, I'm Dr. Nicholas. Do you have a question about contacting your teachers and your counselors? Well, let's go take a look. You probably saw a list like this, but really your counselor is listed as your 8th period teacher, so take a look at your schedule. Do you or your folks want to send a quick message to your teacher? Well, all of our teachers and their emails are listed on our website. Otherwise, your teacher will see you during office hours and during Google Meets. All right, Mustangs, have a great year.
Students are to report to their first period class at 7:30 a.m. on Monday morning through Canvas. Students will access Canvas through the CCSD website or through the Shadow Ridge website. If you don't have access to Canvas, please go to myaccount.ccsd.net. Once you're within Canvas, you will select your first period teacher's class. From there, you'll be able to access any of the information your teacher has for you, including a Google link and any assignments that they might need you to complete for the day. It is important that in the first few days that you get in contact with all of your teachers. Just as a precaution, in case there happens to be an unexpected technology issue, we've asked our teachers to send you an email with a Google link specific to their class. This is to be used only in the event that the system is not working within Canvas on that first few days of school. The expectation is that all students will log into Canvas. This is where all of your assignments and all of your communications from your teachers will come. The only time you will use this Google link is going to be in the event of a situation that Canvas is not working those first few days of school. While we're doing distance learning, you will be attending your odd-numbered classes on Mondays and Thursdays and your even-numbered classes on Tuesdays and Fridays. Wednesdays are reserved to have meetings with your teachers or get any additional help that you might need. Because of this, the first day of school, you will be attending your classes numbered period 1, 3, 5, and 7. The second day of school will be the classes numbered 2, 4, 6, and 8. 8 includes a mentorship class, which is a specialized class that I will give you more information on at a later time. Please follow the bell schedule that is listed on the Shadow Ridge website. The current time schedules that are listed in Infinite Campus are in the process of being updated. They are currently not accurately reflecting the times of the courses. Again, please review the bell schedule that is on the Shadow Ridge website, and that is the accurate time frames for each of the courses. We are very excited to see you all this year. Go Mustangs!